How in the world do you remove those pesky hard water spots off of a glass shower door? I've made lots of videos about these on my YouTube and my TikTok and all over the place, but this is a full-length video in action of how I do it. And with no toxic fumes. And the tools that I use. First off, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, share. I do not get paid for making videos. I just enjoy making them, and I enjoy teaching people that eco-friendly products can really work. So hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel so you could stay tuned when I post a new video. I am an Amazon affiliate, so I will link down below the products that I use. You can get them in my Amazon shop. And when you do, I will earn some commission money. So yay! I can make some bucks. And I would really appreciate it. So here you go. You want to get yourself some CLR. CLR stands for calcium, lime, and rust. And that's what CLR is amazing at removing. Calcium, lime, and rust. So calcium, lime, and rust and lots of other minerals are found in water. And if you have very hard water, you have a lot of minerals. And when you take a shower, those minerals will hit the glass shower and then they can stay behind on the glass shower and cause staining. Or you can also get soap buildup on your glass shower door. Personally, if you've seen my other video talking about why I hate glass shower doors, you'll see why I prefer shower curtains. But in the meanwhile, it's okay. If you have a glass shower door, here's how you can remove the soap buildup off of it. You can also use a mixture of soap, vinegar, and water because vinegar is acidic. That's also great for removing soap buildup. But in this video, I use CLR. So grab some CLR. You also want to grab some stainless steel scrubbers. I prefer that better than a sponge because I find that stainless steel gives a little bit more scrubbing power. And in this video, I used this stainless steel cloth material, which was amazing. And then I also used the stainless steel scrubber. So stainless steel is your best friend. The key to stainless steel is you have to keep it wet. Wet, 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 wet. You have to keep stainless steel or any type of abrasive scrubber wet to prevent scratching. So you want to spray up that glass shower door, let it sit a few minutes, wet your stainless steel scrubber, and start scrubbing. And it doesn't take a long time because the CLR is eating away at the minerals, and then the stainless steel scrubbers will just scrub it off. And then you rinse it off with water. You can hit it with a nice glass cleaner if you want, an alcohol water solution, a vinegar water solution, whatever kind of glass cleaner you like, just to give it that nice clean shine. And there you go. That's how you remove the soap buildup off of a glass shower door. It's really quite simple. So enjoy the rest of the video. If you want to check out my Etsy shop, that would be awesome. I have a lot of cleaning documents on my Etsy shop. I have business documents if you own a cleaning business. And I even wrote my first eco-friendly ebook with tips and tricks about eco-friendly cleaning. So you can get all that on my Etsy shop. Check out my Amazon shop. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. You can also check out my website, crunchycleaningbycathy.com. And I'm on Facebook and TikTok. So once again, thank you so much for watching my video. Please share, please comment, please like, do all the wonderful things that will help the algorithm boost my videos so that I can keep sharing eco-friendly cleaning tips and tricks. Crunchy Cleaning by Cathy.